What's up, you guys? Welcome to the BLC. In today's video, we're gonna talk about 5 fashion tips that'll change your life and save you money. Now let's get it. Starting with number 1. Have you ever just been hanging out and someone comes up and pulls the string of your hoodie for no reason? Yeah, pretty annoying, I know. But don't you fret, we got a fix for that. I call this the fish hook method. Now you could spend a lot of time trying to put your string back into your hoodie hole and pushing it through for a good amount of time. Luckily, a lot of hoodies these days have strings stitched in the hood. What you're going to need in this situation is a shoestring, a safety pin, and some type of hooked device, whether that could be from a wired coat hanger. If you have a local grandma somewhere nearby, something that she uses to knit with, such as this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna place the safety pin with the shoestring attached inside the hole. Also, make sure that the safety pin you get can actually fit inside the hole. You don't want to run into a situation where it is not. And you're gonna fish the pin in there about 1/4 of the way up. From there, you're going to push the hooked item in the other side of the hole, scrunching up the hoodie until you reach the pin. Once you reach the safety pin, attach it and pull all the way through. And boom, there you go. Your strings are in your hoodie. And just as a safety precaution, tie a knot on the end of those strings so if someone else does come up to try to pull your hoodie, the knot will stop it from going through. Number 2, let's say you're going out with some friends and you're kind of in a hurry, so you're applying your deodorant, then all of a sudden, deodorant on your shirt. Oh my gosh, what are you gonna do? Don't you fret, my friend. Just find another piece of clothing that you don't plan on wearing and rub it on the deodorant mark. And bada boom, bada bing, it's gone. Easy squeezy. Now get to getting, time's a ticking, let's go. Number 3, are you tired of having those clickety clackety boots? Everybody turning their head wondering who is that person in high heels walking down the hall, when in actuality it's just you and your boots clicking and clacking down the hallway? Well, don't you worry, I got your fix for you. What you're gonna need is the Chesty boot, either duct tape or gaffer's tape. What I would personally recommend would be gaffer's tape that you can place on the bottom of that shoe so that the fabric of the tape absorbs the impact, therefore causing less of a sound when you walk. You don't have to worry about being that clickety clackety person walking down the hallway anymore after this hack. And if you would have rather just purchased something, there's a product that you can buy on Amazon that you literally place in the same areas, and this will reduce the impact of the sound when you walk. You're welcome. Number 4. If you're like me, you have that favorite pair of jeans. Now, it's not that you don't want to buy other pairs of jeans, but why would I want to buy more jeans when I have my favorite pair of jeans? But then all of a sudden, it rips. And you're like, oh my God, oh no, I have to throw my jeans away. Well, guess what? No, you don't. Now here's the trick. Go to Walmart and find one of these iron-on patches that match the same fabric in which you just ripped. Literally, all you have to do is flip your jeans inside out. You can put it on an iron board so you can see what you're working with there, and apply the patch onto the rip. Then iron on the patch, let it sit until it cools off. After you iron on this patch for about 30 seconds and let it cool off, flip it back to normal and bada bing, bada bam, look at that. No more hole, you can wear your favorite jeans. And just as a safety precaution, if you like, you can hand stitch with the same colored thread to make sure the iron-on patch stays for more durability. Or if you have a local grandma nearby or someone with a sewing machine, you can additionally sew on that patch. But for now, the iron-on patch is good to go. It's about $2. Number 5. Now, are you in a pinch for money and you have an important event coming up that requires a suit and tie? Now, I learned one of these from one of my friends. What you can literally do is go to a Goodwill, find a suit that fits you and maybe maximum of 2 sizes bigger, take it to a tailor, and they will literally adjust the fitting to fit your body perfectly, and some as low as about $10 to $20. So what would have cost you a couple $100 to get a fancy suit, you're now rocking it for about a good 25 to 30 bucks. Now there you have it. Those are 5 fashion tips that'll change your life and save you money. These specifically have worked for me in my life, and I just thought I'd share them with you all. And if you enjoyed this video, headbutt that like button, punch that like button, drop kick that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you'd like, you can comment below your favorite fashion hack that will save money. Turn on that bell notification so then you will know when I am uploading videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Now to the giveaway winner of the last video, it is Cassie M. Check your Cash App now and you have an award in there. That's just for being a subscriber and commenting below. I appreciate all you guys watching my videos, and it's just a little thank you to viewing my videos. I do really truly appreciate my subscribers and all the comments and all the awesome people in the community that really took the time to watch this video, to click subscribe. And I'm just a guy that lives in North Carolina. And just I made these videos. I just want to help people. So I really, truly appreciate every single one of these subscribers. I can't believe we're at like 58,000. That is ridiculous in a positive way. And I hope we continue to grow. And thank you for sharing these videos with a friend. And we'll see you in the next one. I really appreciate it. You guys take it easy. Please subscribe and comment below types of videos you would like to see more of. Deuces gooses. Peace.